this DJ battle. I'm playing some music tonight. Trying to get back into this vlog thing. Pretty tired. Drinking some coffee. But yeah, let's get into it.
Can't save that many, so I'm going to give some of the hobbies or some kind of play.
But I need you to get to the center so we can turn up. We'll be right back. One more time. Can we please give it up for the legend, DJ Top Speed? Yeah!
So the DJ battle was dope. I'm hungry as shit. I'm ready to eat some steak and shake. So tired. I gotta go to work tomorrow. Lame ass job, but it's all good. And I got a bumper car in front of me. I don't know, this dude was Mad Max or something. Anyways, till next time. Peace. All right, ladies and gentlemen, new build, new 5-inch build. Lost the last one in that field right over there. And I said, screw it, I'm gonna build another one. That was about 2 weeks ago. Just finished this, paid in flight with the GoPro this time. Let's hope I don't crash and burn it. Let's go. Of course. Fail. Yeah. Really? I know, right? Day number 2. Trying to see if this drone flies. The new boy. 5's number 3. Stuff right here. Oh well. I'm gonna rip this. Let's see how it goes this time.
Brand new whip, brand what's poppin'? 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 Brand new whip, brand. Back with the remix. These boys are my sons like Phoenix. My city and state never ever seen this. Jimmy Neutron, I'm a young boy genius. On a futon, I'ma give it that. When it's done, I'ma fill up arenas. Ooh, like Gilbert Arenas. Shoot my shot, I'm still with the demons. Ooh, I keep it thorough. I got 5 chicks in New York, that means 1 in each borough. I'm in the pocket like Burrow. When I'm back home, no, they treat me like Robert De Niro. Took her to talk about, bought her a churro. Took her home, gave her a cinnamon swirl. I left it in, now I got her €1. Zeros on zeros on zeros. That's what my bank account balance say. I got a check from a shoe company, now I do anything the New Balance say. I bought her a plane to get out of state. I got me a shorty from Roundaway, said I'm in town today. She said she coming over and she down to stay. I got a hit, she been playing that shit, so when she pull up on me, I know what she bout to say. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
Callin' my tell her bring me that real good shit scholar. I like a thing with low mileage, good brain with no college. Call me the baby, no Tyler. I'm real creative and stylish. F in my denim. I send that hit, make them spin 'em. And I just flew back from LA on the jet yesterday. I go back and forth like I play tennis. I put with your hoe, yeah, I feel for it. Still on the Billboard, the #1 song in UK. And now they got so fucking rich, all these on my I still don't give a what you say. She eat it like a Pac-Man, whoop it like I'm Batman. I just put up in the Batmobile. The reason I ain't fucking with the rap, cause they caps and their raps ain't real. Believe me, you wanna keep your life and take it easy. I'm rocking water, diamonds need a squeegee. Water down, they drinking Fiji. My whip is orange and brown like I'm in Cleveland. My bitch is mellow yellow like a soda. These title tellers, I'm a soldier. Hey, somebody tell them that it's over. You know it's baby.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in.
I got options. I can pass that like
How
Stockton.
about that scattered? I caught her. I'm out here with somebody's daughter. She calling me daddy. I'm somebody's father. I gotta go diss it. I when I go kiss it. I put my lips on it like somebody watered. The diamond, the glacier, the card in the wallet. She put up to fuck me, but nobody caught it. She told me that she wasn't feeling my music. I fucked it. She told me it's nobody harder, and I'm with the G ski. I need that shit for the free ski. We are not buying no pussy. You sell it on P Street. It's so much work on my celly. I had to go tell all my bitches email it to reach me. All in my DM. I follow your BM. She played with the Krosky. We used to fuck on the low ski. She used to lie on my bed and go lie to your face and say I'm just a broski. You knows me, you ain't believe it, you wanted to toast me. I had it standing as long as a ruler in case you was coolin' and wanna approach me. Dropped the Bentayga, came back in the culling and she wanna fuck again. I want that tongue again, stuck it so deep that she cough up a lung again. 5-star bitches, they on the run again, running in diamonds, they illuminating the way that I come again. I just put so many pennies on the watch and I don't never got a stun again. Lil' Tory.
What's poppin'?
Canada.
Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
What's brackin'? Brand new whip, new mansion. Brand new tips, new dances. Same old, new magnum. Same old shit, new maggots. Same old throne, new dragons. Same old strong, new ashes. I can pass that back like magic. Yeah, I ain't capping, I'm lit, I'm active. Yeah, look 5 and they pop like packs and yak. I'm drowning this milk like Applejack. I sell it, put tax on that. Look, slime, they pop that slap and slap. More bumpers roll, that's black on black. Yeah, 99 problems, the chain one. Yeah, numbers don't lie, it's the aftermath.
Ooh, my baby. Well, that could have went a lot smoother, but whatever. I didn't break it, did I? Nope. Just some juice. Some plant juice. Boom, son. Well, I'm gonna say that was a success. Not the best flying, but whatever. Got some PID tuning to do. Maybe update the ESCs. Yeah. All right. Well, time to find some new spots to fly.